Citroen has revealed a tiny, innovative six-seat family car that hints at a new generation of practical small cars with clever interior space. At 4.1 meters long, the ELO is shorter than even Citroen's current C3 city car, but has room for one more passenger. There are 3 seats across the second row, and an additional 2 can be slotted ahead of them, but set back from the driver's seat to create a 6-seat layout when required. These 2 are accessed by a wide set of double sliding doors with no central pillar, and fold away under the outer rear seats when not in use. Alternatively, they can be removed for use as picnic chairs, for example, and the cabin can also be transformed into a sleeping area for 2. The driver's seat can also rotate 360 degrees when the car is parked. Rather than a touchscreen, the ELO uses an updated version of the so-called SmartBand display, first seen in the 2022 Oli City car concept. This stretches across the base of the windscreen, and Citroen says it's a more cost-effective way of getting information into the driver's eye line than a regular head-up display. Although the ELO is said to be drivable, Citroen hasn't yet confirmed what size of battery or motor is fitted to the concept. However, it's based on a dedicated electric platform with the motor bolted onto the rear axle to make it rear-wheel drive. Citroen wouldn't comment on the production potential of the ELO, as parent firm Stellantis has yet to confirm whether its current or future electric car platforms could support the 6-seat layout.